bursting crackers just creates a lot of noise pollution, and it just harms the nature, the animals, and the sick around us. I pledge to celebrate a soundless Diwali.
And let's take this Diwali as a festival of light to spread new light to people who do not have close people around them. And let this Diwali be a moment where we can enjoy with our loved ones, close ones. Let's spread that little smile that this Diwali season.
Diwali is a festival of light and sweets. So let's stick to what it was originally based on. Let's not mess with the environment. Be more focused and give sweets and love in hearts. Thank you.
We live in a time where now I think helping the environment is more important than celebrating a festival. And personally, I have a dog, and he seems to get very restless during this festival because the crackers and all seem to affect his hearing. So I would like to have a soundless Diwali so that my pet and me can celebrate together in peace.
Diwali being a festival of light, we don't end up celebrating it that way, and it matters a lot to the animals on the street. The sound that is created by the crackers disturbs them. It's not something, it's not a pleasant sight to see them run headless. For behalf of all the animals on the street, I would say please go soundless.
If you have taken a look at the pollution levels, both in terms of air pollution and sound pollution, then it is completely illogical to use crackers. Secondly, if you are bursting crackers, then you are also contributing to child labor. If you pay any heed to the condition of those poor, uneducated, underprivileged kids who are working in the factories, then I think it doesn't make sense if you burst crackers.
Colors and lights really fill your lives with happiness and excitement. But do crackers really do the same? This Diwali, let's celebrate Diwali in an eco-friendly way and give back to the Mother Nature as they give back to us.
The earth has enough problems already. Pledge for a noiseless Diwali. Happy Diwali.
Spread love, not sound. Diwali is an occasion to spread love and happiness in the hearts of everyone. Have a eco-friendly and safe Diwali. Wish you a happy Diwali from our factors.
Growing in a locality where there are lots of hospitals, I have witnessed the discomfort that the noise and pollution cause to the ailing patients. As you know, Diwali spiritually signifies the victory of knowledge over ignorance. I pledge for a soundless Diwali this year.
Hello everyone, happy Diwali. Diwali is all about lights for me, sweets, decorating my house, and I don't prefer crackers or because it creates a lot of pollution, and I would request everyone that celebrate the festival of lights with lights rather than creating more pollution, and sound pollution is not good. Happy Diwali.
Dogs can hear 7 times louder than humans. Terrified, they start running around and end up getting hit by cars and getting burned. Please be considerate. Have a noiseless Diwali, at least for them.
Spread love this Diwali. No noise. Spread happiness. Spread joy. No crackers. We at Factors are doing our bit. Are you?